Hi, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily allow or disallow realistic images in iOS 27 on your iPhone and iPad. With the introduction of iOS 27, Apple gives users more control over AI-generated image creation by introducing the option to allow or disallow realistic images. This setting lets you decide whether image generation tools can create highly lifelike images of people and scenes or remain limited to less realistic, stylized results. Depending on how you use Apple Intelligence, this feature can help balance creativity, safety, and personal preferences. That said, let's get started. So first you have to launch the Settings app on your iPhone or iPad. After that, you have to choose Screen Time option. Then you have to select Content and Privacy Restrictions option. Then make sure that its toggle is active. After that, select Siri. And then you have to choose Realistic Images option to proceed. And finally, select Allow or Don't Allow option depending on your needs. And that's about it. The Realistic Images setting offers greater control over the type of AI-generated content your device can produce, enabling it to allow Apple Intelligence to create more natural-looking and detailed images, which can be useful for design concepts, presentations, and other creative tasks. However, highly realistic AI images can also make it more difficult to distinguish generated content from authentic photos. So some users may prefer to keep the feature disabled for added peace of mind. The good news is that you can change the setting whenever your needs change, giving you the flexibility to choose the image generation experience that best suits your preferences. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and share it, and do subscribe for more such handy tips and tricks, and I'll catch you up in the next one.